In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write your presenter notes using Canva AI. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting, creating polished presenter notes is key to delivering an engaging and organized presentation. We'll be using Canva's innovative tools to make this process smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't have Canva already up and running, go ahead and launch the application or visit their website to get started. Canva is an intuitive design platform that allows users to create a wide array of content, from social media posts to professional presentations. It's both user-friendly and packed with powerful features, making it perfect for our task today. Once inside Canva, you'll need to create a new presentation or open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, simply click on Create a Design and select Presentation. Alternatively, you can open an existing project from your Canva dashboard if you already have a presentation that you'd like to enhance with presenter notes. Now, let's locate the Magic Write feature. It's a tool designed specifically to assist you in crafting well-structured text content. You can find Magic Write on the left side of your screen or sometimes in the top toolbar, depending on the layout you're using. It's easy to spot, and it's going to be crucial in helping us generate those professional presenter notes. Once you've found Magic Write, the next step is to select a slide in your presentation. This is important because Magic Write will generate notes based on the content of the selected slide, thereby adding contextual relevance and cohesion to your presentation. At this stage, you're ready to generate presenter notes using Magic Write. Click on the feature and let it do the heavy lifting. The AI will analyze the content on your slide and generate notes that align with your theme. It's a great way to ensure your verbal presentation complements the visual elements on your slides. After generating notes with Magic Write, you can either copy the prompt it provides or simply press Enter to proceed with the output. The platform's AI is designed to provide a good starting point for your notes, but there's always room for a personal touch. Now, you might want to rewrite, expand, or shorten these AI-generated notes. Feel free to tweak them until they perfectly suit your speaking style and presentation goals. It's crucial to make sure that they reflect your unique voice and the key points you wish to convey. Finally, once you're satisfied with your notes, you have the option to save your presentation as an MP4 or share it with embedded narration. This is an excellent way to reach a wider audience, allowing you to present your work remotely or as a pre-recorded video, and there you have it. An easy and efficient way to create presenter notes with Canva AI. With these tools, you're all set to deliver an impactful presentation that captivates and informs your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting!